गो ग्लोबल इमिग्रेशन सर्विसेज की साकेत ब्रांच ने अपने 1 वर्ष में अपने आप को एक मील का पत्थर स्थापित किया है, जो विश्वास, स्थिरता और एक ऐसी टीम के शांत आत्मविश्वास से निर्मित है जो जानती है कि वह क्या चाहती है। कंट्री हेड हिना खुराना के मार्गदर्शन में इस ब्रांच ने पिछले 12 महीनों में दृश्यता से कहीं अधिक महत्वपूर्ण चीज को मजबूत करने में बिताया है: विश्वसनीय, विनियमन समर्थित सलाह और एक ऐसी टीम जो पहली बार में ही सही जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रशिक्षित है। साकेत ब्रांच में क्लस्टर हेड श्री आयुष्मान बुटोलिया एक ऐसी टीम का नेतृत्व करते हैं जो आव्रजन की जटिलताओं को स्पष्ट और व्यवहारिक मार्गदर्शन में बदल देती है। हर आवेदन, हर दस्तावेज, हर ग्राहक की पूछताछ को सावधानीपूर्वक, सटीकता और अंतर्दृष्टि के साथ संभाला जाता है। पिछले 12 महीनों में ये शाखा एक ऐसी जगह बन गई है जहां ग्राहक इस विश्वास के साथ जाते हैं कि उनकी यात्रा विशेषज्ञों के हाथों में है। परिणामों के माध्यम से अर्जित प्रतिष्ठा और निरंतरता ने शाखा के पहले वर्ष को परिभाषित किया है। अपने पहले वर्ष में साकेत शाखा ने एक ऐसी चीज पर ध्यान केंद्रित किया है जो वास्तव में गो ग्लोबल आव्रजन सेवाओं को परिभाषित करती है।
Hello everyone, very good evening. This side Hina Khurana and I'm the country head for Go Global Immigration. I heartily welcome you all to celebrate with us an year of celebration of Saket branch of Go Global Immigration. And on the behalf of management, on behalf of directors, I'm welcoming you all to celebrate this occasion with us. Apart from that, I'm really pleasure to welcome all my team members, all my committee members, everyone who have contributed a lot for entire year of this journey. As this year have gone, the past years was tremendous, and actually we have achieved so many milestones for entire year. We have achieved new targets. We have crossed the many hindrances which have come across, maybe due to some unreliable reasons, maybe. So we have crossed over everything. We have expanded with the new markets. New trends have been come up, so of course we have incredibly hired a new talent in our organization who have contributed a lot for our success. As this year have passed on, now we are waiting for the upcoming upgrades and to achieve the highest heights in future. So definitely we are wishing our whole GGIMS to for all the best for upcoming challenges that we're gonna face, and I wish we will achieve more success in future. Coming to the success ratio, definitely we have achieved so far satisfaction of an employees, satisfaction of clients, and that is why maybe we are celebrating every year with a great success. So thank you so much for this journey, and again I would be very thankful to all the team members who have been with us with the collaborative efforts, with the lucrative opportunities. So thank you so much, and cheers to this evening.
Hi guys, this is Namrata Gupta. I'm working as a branch manager over here. It's been a lovely journey with GGIMS. I've been working since last 1 year with this company, and we have been dealing with multiple products. So be it tourist visas, PR, work permits, spouse visas, we are specialized with it. So if you're really looking forward for Europe or Gulf, Canada, Australia, we are dealing with all these countries. And today, since it's our anniversary, we have completed 1 year of our anniversary at the Saket branch. So congratulations to the entire team of GGIMS. And if you're really looking forward to us, to make your journey, to make your career a success, you should contact us on the given details below. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Maushmi Das. I am here like in senior immigration manager. I have a great experience in this industry. I would like to thank you, Ms. Hira Khurana, Manish sir, and all over my team member who are very cooperative and very healthy environment. We feel like a family. Okay, so congratulations.
Hi, good evening. This side Khushi from Go Global Immigration Services, and I'm working as a client relationship manager here. So today we are celebrating 1 year success of our Saket branch, and I want to thank all the management, especially Mrs. Hina Khurana, who is country head here, and our Aishman sir, who is cluster head of Saket branch. So thank you each and everyone for supporting us. Thank you.
I am Sakshi this side, and I'm working as a client relationship manager at Go Global Immigration Services. So today we are celebrating our 1 year we have completed successfully in the Saket branch, and I want to thanks to my management, Ms. Hina Khurana, the country expert, who have made me to work here, and I'm very feeling glad to work with this company because we are touching the success very fastly, and we are celebrating this, and we have many more success to come. So thank you for that.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayushman Butolia and I am the cluster head for the South for the company called Go Global Immigration Services, and today we are celebrating 1 year anniversary for the Saket branch. Today we are sitting in the Saket branch. I'm very happy to say that it has been a very fruitful, successful, committing and a promising journey for the whole company.
कैसी रही अब तक की जर्नी, कितने चैलेंजिंग रही?
सर, हर जर्नी में थोड़े थोड़े चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बट आई वुड से कि एज अ टीम हमने हर चैलेंज को ओवरकम करा है, हर चैलेंज से थोड़ा बहुत सीखा है और नए इनपुट से, एक न्यू अप्रोच से हमने कंपनी की ग्रोथ में सबने कुछ ना कुछ इनपुट्स दिए हैं और डेवलपमेंट की तरफ हम लोग बढ़े।
Hello everyone, my name is Gagan Khurana and I am the cluster head working for the Green Park branch. Today we are here, all of us from the entire company, celebrating the success, 1 year success story of Saket branch for this company. This is just the beginning and we are looking for more years of success celebrating together. Thank you.
किस तरह से अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे इस 1 साल के सफर के लिए?
हम जो हैं इस टाइम पे अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के वजह से ही हैं, इसी कारणवश हम ये आज का दिन सेलिब्रेट कर पा रहे हैं पूरी फैमिली एक साथ होकर। हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ हमारी फैमिली की तरह है एंड मैं दिल से अपने तहे दिल से उनका धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ।